this side. This is one of the foundation. This is another one right here. And those contractors are actually doing over there. So the work is moving on smoothly actually. So we can clearly see that the expansion is kicking in. So when this expansion gets to a very serious stage, I will come here and make another proper video. But this one is an update to let us know what's currently going on. So this, for now, they are still working on the foundations. Foundations, over there foundations too. So let's expect more from this channel. Good afternoon everyone, good evening, good morning, depending on when you're watching this video. We are right here at the International Airport once again, and as you can see, construction is progressing peacefully and very, very smooth. Though the construction is no longer at a very fast pace, because most of the way I met the construction, it's almost the same way it currently is, and reason being, you know, it's season, and these premises you're seeing now, there are a lot of air traffic and people coming in and going out because it's season. The airport is very, very busy, and this is like the only international airport in Lagos. I know Lagos has over 20 million people, so the population is maxed, and even most people coming to other states in Nigeria, they mostly drop off in Lagos, then maybe take a local flight to their destination. Regardless, this is how the airport is. I also told the camera to show you some construction and some things that I've also noticed. It's the year ending of the year. Actually, it was a great year for me, as I was able to, like, you know, upload videos every year, and I was grateful. These premises now, you will see that those men there are currently working on the drainage. They are digging the drainage, and they are also making sure the drainage is wide enough. Though concrete reinforcement has been done, but the bottom part of the drainage is what they are clearing, so that the sand that was moved into the drainage during the road excavation could be removed, and the drainage could be as free as possible. This is how the work is currently. As you can see, they are working hard, even though it's season. Most of us have actually traveled now to spend good time with our family, and these men here are working. These are heroes, so let's appreciate their efforts. So looking at this airport now, like some things I noticed here that has been done is that they have created another entrance into the airport, like the terminal. They create another entrance which they will be pouring asphalt on very soon, or maybe concrete reinforcement, which I'm not yet sure. But the drainage has been done, and the road linking has been done, and the trees where the construction will be made, the trees has been cut down, and also the road are being tiled, like they are trying to build the road fully. So these are some of the updates I will show you on this video, on this episode of the International Airport rehabilitation. So please do well to like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to share this video in any way you can, and also support me. I will be very, very glad. So let's go.
Bati ọlọ́fún bati ọmọ.